In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a property in HubSpot. Cloning a property is a quick way to duplicate an existing field's configuration so you don't have to rebuild it from scratch. It copies the setup, like the field type and options, while leaving your actual CRM data untouched. Here's how to do it smoothly. Start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot site and sign in using your usual method. Make sure you have permission to create and edit properties in your account. If not, you may need an admin to grant access. Once you're in your portal, look to the top navigation bar for the gear icon. Click that to open Settings. On the left sidebar, find the Data Management section and select Properties. This page lists all properties available in your CRM. At the top, confirm you're viewing the right object, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, so you clone the correct field. Use the search bar or filters to locate the property you want to clone. When you've found it, open the property details and look for the More menu. Click More, then choose Clone. HubSpot will set up a duplicate of the property's configuration, which is perfect when you need a similar field with a different purpose or label. A configuration panel will appear for the new property. Give the cloned property a clear descriptive label that distinguishes it from the original. Keeping a consistent naming convention, like adding a suffix for the team or workflow that will use it, helps everyone in your organization recognize it at a glance. Next, review the other settings. Depending on the field type, you can adjust the description, the property group it belongs to, and any selectable options for drop-downs or checkboxes. If you're standardizing data, this is a great moment to refine option names so they're consistent with your reporting. Remember, cloning copies the setup, not the values on existing records, so you're safe to make sensible tweaks here. When everything looks good, click Create at the top right. HubSpot will generate a new internal name based on your label. This internal name is used in integrations and can't be changed later, so it's worth double-checking your label before you finish. That's it. Your cloned property is now available across your CRM, ready to be added to views, used in forms, filters, reports, and workflows. For peace of mind, try it on a single record to confirm it behaves as expected, and keep your naming clean so your team can find and use it confidently.